Okay, here's our revised drawings. This is all to size and scale. Starting off with the sink, your apron sink would drop into this opening, and the top of the sink is flush with the top of the cabinet because it's an undermount, so the granite goes over the top edge of the sink. Dishwasher opening 24 inches, and you have a 34.5 inch tall opening, 24 wide to fit that existing dishwasher. 2 slab doors with the grooves on the left and right side. This angled cabinet here, we have, so the front of this cabinet would be about 16 3/4 from this back wall, and this is all open. There's a shelf here, this is open, and then a tray divider here. The upper cabinets with glass doors, floating shelves, and these uppers are the same depth of 13 3/4, which you currently have, and these cabinets end 71, so from this corner to the left side is 71.5. So you can put that piece of trim between the cabinet and the door here. These are the same height as the existing tall cabinet in the living room, and this is the same height as the existing cabinets. And on the other side here, the range would sit here. So I measured with Bill today. The microwave will fit in between this new cabinet, number 8, and the existing cabinet that you're going to put to the right here. So you'll have 30 inches in between here. Same height. The trim detail would be right here. Glass doors. Let's see. Oh, I hid that. That's why. Here, let's do. Okay, I can zoom in on a little more. So this dies against the wall on the left. Glass doors. The trim piece here, and then there's that piece of wood that sits on the top. So this is the size and scale. The style is the same width. This rail is the same width. This bottom rail is the same width. So if that is what you guys are looking for, just give me the thumbs up and we can get going, and I'll send you these drawings so you can compare and see the sizes on that. Alright, thanks guys.